We're doing something special here at Xtreme. If you guys don't know me, my name is Elia. I'm a videographer / editor for Xtreme Xperience. We're taking the AMG GTR to spread some Christmas joy. We're meeting with Aaron, Val, John Raymond, and AJ back at the office to kind of regroup and set everything up. But for now, I'm in charge of bringing the AMG GTR to the office. Actually, fun fact, the coolest benefit of working at Xtreme is that this is a company car. So you can, if you work for Xtreme Xperience, no matter what your position is, you can sign this out for a couple days, take it out to the weekend, take it on date nights, just have fun with it. I went to go pick it up because Ben, a fleet tech, actually had this signed out and he was so gracious enough to let us borrow it for a few hours to make this video. So big shout out to Ben. So we're gonna go do this thing. Got to get the car back to Ben by 2 p.m. So we don't have a lot of time to kind of execute this video. So when we get to the office, I'm just going to have Aaron kind of take it from here.
And we putting on the show, trying to catch a vibe. We do this every
time. This sound is the best part of this car, I swear.
This is where I wanna
be. I'm an idiot.
You better know.
When we get to the office, we've got to prep the car. There's a few things we have to do to kind of protect it. Aaron and Val were supposed to get some Christmas trees, and I was supposed to get the AMG to meet there so that we can put a Christmas tree on the GTR. You know, naturally, it's never a dull moment at Xtreme Xperience. It is fully PPF'd, including the roof, but just so that we don't mess up the PPF on the roof, there's a few little things we have to do to kind of protect it before the trees get on there. But yeah, we're almost at the office, so we should meet with the crew soon, and we'll see you there. Well, looks like I'm the first one here. What a car. Good morning.
What's going on?
How many did you get? 3?
Yeah. I gotta redo this strap. This one's not on right. This one's beautiful.
Well, they didn't fall. That's good.
They didn't fall, but it was also only 5 minutes over.
Yes, so we have to clean the top and all right, so in order to put the Christmas trees on top, like I said, it is PPF'd, but we don't want to mess up the PPF, so we're going to pull in the car, clean the top with the recommended cleaner from Juan, and then put some protective plastic that won't rip up the PPF. So, because it's a very nice carbon top, so we want to protect that. So we're gonna go get the detailing spray. What a guy, he left it on top of the SS. So we're gonna grab this. So this is the plastic sheeting. It's the same sheeting that we put on the carpets to protect them. So it's very stout and it won't ruin the PPF, because this takes feet and shoes and dirt and grime all day. So that'll be sufficient. So we're gonna grab this. It's the best car in the fleet right now, by the way.
For us to put it on, right?
Yeah, otherwise it won't adhere, yeah.
That's what I hear, at least.
Oh, God. That's how you know he's a dad, folks.
Yep.
Okay. All right, now that that's clean, we're going to go over here and grab some protective sheeting. There's our two, I mean, you can't see it, but our two brand new lead cars, Charger wide body Hellcats. We'll put the vlog in the description. Grab this. I might leave the marketing segment to go work with Juan, dude.
Yeah?
how good I am. I'm better at this than I am at editing.
That was gold right there. Protective film.
There we go. Roof is protected, double protected.
Triple protected.
And this stuff is robust, so I'm not worried. Just taking this off, we have to be careful, according to Juan. I think that's why he didn't want us to like squeegee out the air bubbles. Yeah, so now we are going to load up a tree.
Let's go. Should we move it outside to do it?
Yeah. Morning, sunshine.
Not bad.
Oh, he's tired.
So while we're waiting and get ready to go, we're going to 3 different people's places. They're all mercifully very close. One is literally like 2 blocks from the office, which is fantastic. They're expecting us, they're excited. They have a 2-year-old boy. It'd be really bad if I didn't know his age and it turns out he was like 3 this whole time. It might be, I don't know. Anyway, I'm imagining you guys are gonna, the reason we have walkies is you guys will dictate the way that we drive to and from. In this first stop, I don't think we'll get many shots of getting to there because it's so close, but we'll definitely get shots of them. I imagine their little boy will want to sit in the car, which will be really fun. And so we'll get those shots, we'll have fun, we'll get the tree inside, we'll talk to them for a second, and then we'll move on to our next spot, which is actually just a few blocks further away. And then from there is our longest, well, obviously between these, we'll get another tree back on the car to make sure that we can get all our shots that we need and that we can, you know, roll up with the tree in the car because that's just a heck of a lot of fun. And then from there we will, are you gonna put that there? Yeah, what?
Damn, he didn't skimp out. He's got the Fraser firs.
Fraser firs, 6 to 7 feet. You only buy cheap trees?
I've got a fake tree because I don't deal with all this.
See, I grew up with only fake trees. And I like vowed when I was a kid, I was like, when I'm able to have my own tree, because we never owned our houses, so we just like weren't allowed to. I was like, I'm gonna have a real tree every year that I can.
You're gonna make me cry, Aaron. Yep, right, yep, a little more. Yep, right there.
Terrified about this bit. Ratchet, my skills are ratchet. No!
PBF, this PBF.
Guess we're editing that out.
Oh, that ain't scared.
Stay, you good thing! Alright.
You can see the car, you can see the reactions on both sides, right?
You're talking about on the, like the stump?
Yep.
All right, so AJ's gonna mount the 360 GoPro on the stump. That way we can pan and post and see reactions. I don't know if that's...
I don't know. We're gonna see.
That is a thick stump.
Thick boy. I don't know. It might not work. I hope. It's too much.
And how awesome is Aaron? Not only did he get matching green straps, but he got the carbon fiber ones. Look at.
Splurged for the carbon fiber. Extra $5. It's going on the marketing card.
Give it an old shakeroo.
Oh yeah?
What's up, guys? You might be in the AMG.
Oh baby.
We need to give you a camera, so hold.
Okay.
Welcome.
Hey, how you doing?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
He's ready. He's
I'm
strapped up, ready to go.
seriously-
AMG's warm.
I'm not good at these things. Oh, if I go to this side, it's so much better.
All right, Val's gonna ride with you in AMG. She's got a camera phone, just like the rest of the world. And then
The modern world.
John Raymond, professional instructor. He's gonna drive the Subi.
Journalistic like integrity here. Camera phones, I mean, this is hard-hitting stuff.
I know. We're pioneers, dude.
Like,
okay.
Yeah.
Don't sell us
Get it?
short.
Pioneer.
Okay, go over there with your dad jokes. Is this the fastest car you're ever gonna drive?
Ever in my life.
Yeah.
I want you to see this brake pedal real quick. Actually, come over. Let me show you something.
So
Let me show
John's
you
a
something.
professional instructor. He drives race cars on racetracks.
Yeah, don't oversell it. But what you got here, right? So your brake pedal, right? You should be able to push it, and it goes like that, right about that far down. But this bad boy, we're going to the floor.
Oh, no.
No effort. So we're gonna be lucky if we come to a stop today.
I think he's got air in his system.
So much air.
All right. Ready?
Yep.
All right, so we're loaded up, ready to go. First tree's on the AMG. The other two are on above me. Waiting for John. Should be fun. We're gonna hit the road here in a couple seconds. There he is.
Here we go.
AJ's missing now. All right, there's AJ. Let's go. That one's not rolling either. I don't think the first will get it.
Yeah, we'll get on the
Also, show off our new camera.
Got the new A7 S3 with swivel screen.
All right, we made it to the first stop.
Over the semi back.
All right, stop one was a success.
Alright, so we're gonna go, you guys are gonna go straight, we're gonna take a right.
Off to stop two.
I mean, you can try and pass us, but that's wishful thinking. Go ahead and pass us on the left.
Say that again?
Go ahead and pass us on the left and give it some sauce.
That wasn't sauce.
That was
no. All right, stop two.
All right, stop two. Here we are. Hello. We have a surprise for you.
Whoa, that's amazing.
We're spreading some Christmas cheer, and so we figured, you know, a Christmas tree is a good way to do it.
That's awesome.
It is dope.
A supercar is a great place to do it.
Oh,
Don't touch the lever to your left. Now you can just hit some gas.
oh yeah.
Hey, I was on time until I wasn't. I was on time all day until I decided not to be. And
All right, so before we go to the last stop, we're gonna hit up Lakeshore.
Lakeshore, Michigan Ave. Hopefully there's not a lot of people down there, and if so,
No, we want
have,
a lot of people.
Well, yeah, but they
All right, dude. Merry Christmas, bud.
socially distanced people. Lots of them, because it is the weekend of Thanksgiving, so hopefully there are some people downtown. We get some solid reactions of people just like head jerking and all that fun stuff. Feel good about the holidays, get some holiday good cheer in going on. And then we go down Lakeshore Drive and, you know, show off the most attractive city in the entire world. So, you know,
Cool.
hashtag Chicago Pride.
All right, last stop, drop the tree off.
Oh.
Hey, do you have an extra memory card?
I don't. Wait,
Well-
yeah, I do.
Ooh, can I have it?
Yeah.
'Cause I'm down to like 11 minutes on my memory card. So I need that. All right, here we go. All right, Aaron's having a tough time getting over this speed hump. It's very, very high,
so look it this way.
and the energy's very low.
When you get towards me. So straight it out.
We're just watching the left. There's not enough room to actually do a full flat.
John's coaching him via the radio. You can do it, buddy.
Come straight. Come straight. Come straight. Come straight.
Hey! We did it.
That wasn't that nearly.
Teamwork, that's right, dude.
So start on your left side.
This close.
Yeah. And it has no front lift either.
Actually, it does.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, I
Oh.
remembered that halfway through.
Exactly. I think we're gonna hang a left so we don't have to do that last. Well, you got that one up.
As long as I'm on the same page. I love you and you're doing great.
Okay. All right, going to slow.
That looks
in my ear. I'll hit the lights, sing silent night, dress up the yard with the colorful reindeer. My dear, this is my favorite time of year. My favorite time of
All right, I must have took like 200 stills.
My hair.
You're crying. It's cold.
It's emotional is what it is. It was beautiful.
Is that what's, I think it's icicles.
Yeah. All right. So now what?
And we'll get off at Armitage, just as Armitage.
We're getting off at Armitage.
We're getting off at Armitage, get some static images, and then we'll deliver the last tree.
It's been a long time since I've been here.
This makes me
All right,
kinda
so-
sad, honestly.
We are at the old office, I guess. Where are we? So what is this place?
This is our old office. So we spent the beginnings of the company was in office was at 1424. Then we moved to 1454, which is this office right here. So this whole front area in the back, that's our old garage. And we used to haul cars in and out of here. People hated us because we had 2 semis blocking up the area. We used to go over here for coffee.
Pretty bad.
So returning to our roots. John, what's happening, man?
So we're back where it all started. Back in the day, we were in an office a little bit further that way, then we moved into this one on the other side of this wall. And it was pretty tight. We fit a lot of supercars in there. And if you look around here, we actually fit Ferraris over there. Remember we had like 2 458s over there. We had a Gallardo right there, an Audi R8 over here, all kinds of crazy stuff. Because there wasn't enough room in there. And a good 25% of your work day was spent shuffling these cars around so you could work on them. And it's just cool to be back here after all these years. Now back at the end of 2020.
And we've made it to our last and final stop.
Hello, hello. You want to see this car?
Yeah.
We also have a Christmas tree. I know that's kind of exciting too.
How'd it go?
I think it went amazing. I mean, those 2 little girls absolutely just made the day. It was brilliant.
Yes.
Yeah, they loved it. So, all right,
All right, cool.
we're set to go.
Mission accomplished. Back to the office.
Bye.
All right, mission accomplished. Three trees, three happy families. Got to spread some cheer. Aaron got to drive the GTR around all over the city. And some kids got to ride along, so that was pretty rad. But that's it for this video. We're gonna go and carefully peel the protective stuff that we put on the roof. If that goes bad, I guess we'll film it. But if not, happy holidays from the Xtreme team.
Happy holidays.
And we'll see you next year with some killer content.
In fact, we love each other so much that AJ and I got matching sunglasses just so we could be together more. Mine might be fake. This is gonna be the best vlog video ever, clearly, because I know what I'm doing like a pro.
I don't think I can see it. Is the lens cap on?
Nope, I don't know what's happening.
You said you're having a good time? That's weird.
No, I said we're making it in good time.
Oh. But you're definitely not having a good time. We're gonna fill it up for Ben first because he deserves it. So we'll go fill it up, drop it off, and then that'll be that.
Mercedes.
Oh, I want to see a sign in the book. It's the back Mazda.